Good evening. This is Chandrama from Navi Mumbai. Like you all, I have also played multiple roles in my life. Daughter, wife, mother, teacher, and currently a writer. And cooking has always been my constant passion and love of life throughout my journey. Today I am going to present for Nestle's contest a Christmas pudding, which is I now named it as Senorita Christmas pudding. It comprises of 3 layers: caramel pudding, ginger, and apple crumbles. Let's see how we do it. To make our dessert, first we should make the caramel pudding. To make the caramel pudding, we require 1 tin of Nestle Milkmaid, 3 eggs, 1 cup of milk, and a little bit of a zest of 1 lemon, and 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a little bit of water to make the caramel. So let's start making it. I have left some of the milkmaid to add with the ginger crumbles, and I will be putting 1 cup of milk, zest of 1 lemon, this I should add slowly and nicely. And set it aside. Now let's make the caramel. To make the caramel, I am pouring 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, now my caramel is ready. Make the pudding. Spread it nicely and evenly. Be careful, take a wooden spoon. Let it set. Pour the milkmaid and egg mixture into the caramel. So I've kept the container with the caramel pudding on steam. I will steam it for, I will cover and steam it for 10 minutes. I will be steaming this again for another 5 minutes. Now while my pudding is being steamed, let me make my 2 other layers. The first layer will be the ginger crumble. In the ginger crumble, I have taken in the G1 packet of ginger biscuit. I have crumbled it and I am putting the leftover whatever the milkmaid I had. I will be mixing this. Don't make it into fine powder. It should be just crumble. And I've added this milkmaid just to have a little bit of binding. The last layer will be the apple pie filling. It is exactly the apple pie filling where I've taken grated apples, 2 apples I've taken with sugar and lemon juice so that it gives a nice aromatic taste, and half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix it thoroughly. My 2 layers are ready. So once my pudding was steamed for 5 minutes, then I kept it in the refrigerator for 2 hours, and once it was chilled, I have decorated with florets of orange and raisins inside. So my dish is ready. It's Senorita Christmas pudding. Have a nice Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you.